Welcome to my channel. I am James Yeboah. Once again, if you are new to my channel, please try to subscribe and so that anytime I upload a new video, you get it. For instance, I do a lot of video on how to make money online and WordPress website creating and many other videos. But today we are going to import video or Mp4 into Audacity and turn it into audio. And before you do that, there's one thing that you need, and this is how we are going to do. So now follow me with it. For example, if I try to put the video, so hence I import video on Audacity, it's not working. Say Audacity not recognize. So if you don't recognize, then this is the process to do it. We come to edit. If you're on Mac, it will be on file. I here edit, then come to preference. Dialog box will over here on the left hand side, come to libraries. On the libraries, click on the download. It takes you to this page. We have FFmpeg installation for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Because I'm using Windows, I have to click this one. So when you come to the next page, come here and click this one as well. Over here, you click to go to the download page. Come down. Go to the download page. Yes. So at this stage, we are looking for the FFmpeg for Windows latest. So the 2.2.2, but don't use the .zip. Use the .exe. So click on that one. It is loading. After it has downloaded, some if your depends on the browser you use, some also your this thing will be coming on this left hand. It doesn't matter where you put it. Just click, find the download page, click on the downloaded, and then start installing. So click English, okay. Next. You read and click next. So find the browser where it is. I will let it be in the default, and then click next and then click install. So it is installing. Click finish. It is finished. So now, yes, sorry. After you have finished downloading the FFmpeg, now when you try to upload video, import video into Audacity, it will work. So let me go here. And bring one video. Voila. Yes, so after it is done, you can come to effect and edit your audio. Assuming we have finished editing it, you come to file, and then when you click save as, it will save as Audacity, but our main purpose today is to export as Mp3. So you come here, Mp3, have wave, have this one, a lot of them, and a lot of the, but our main this thing is to export in Mp3. So put on mp3, we give it a name, make sure it is mp3 here, then click save. The dialog box will come. You can fix it, but I leave it most of the time. And click OK. So it is rendering. And after it has rendered to the mp3, then you can play. And that's it. So if you are new to my channel, try subscribe. If the it is this video, the information on it is very useful, to try subscribe so that anytime I upload new video, you'll get it. I also do videos on how to make money online, and then design websites. So I have website videos as well. Visit my site one more time. Thank you and see you. Bye.